Hello everyone. Tips for good marks in English in board exam. Students can score maximum marks in their CBSE UP board class 12, 10 English paper if they follow the tips mentioned. Tip number 1. Be sure about the letter writing and summary writing formats. Practice writing these formats repeatedly so as to write them perfectly in the exams. When writing your letter, ensure that your introduction and conclusion make a striking impression. Point number 2. Read your comprehension passage thoroughly. Before you read the comprehension passages in your CBSE Class 12th English paper, read the questions and this will help you to identify the sections containing the answers in the passage while reading. This tip is time saving as time is of crucial importance in an exam. Point number 3. Focus on improving your writing skills. To enhance your grammar and widen your vocabulary, get into the habit of reading the newspaper daily. It will help you to frame your sentences in a grammatically accurate manner. Point number 4. Solve sample question papers. Attempt to solve sample question papers of at least the previous 5 years as it will help you to get an understanding of the question paper format and the marks allotted to each section. Point number 5. Prepare notes on character sketches and central themes. In the prose or poetry section in your CBSE Class 12th English paper, it is important to prepare notes on character sketches of central characters as well as on central themes. Also, while using quotes will help you score good marks. Please do not quote if you are unsure as an incorrect quote will surely catch the attention of the examiner. Point number 6. Underline important points in your answer. In the prose and poetry section of the paper, remember to underline important points in the answer. Avoid making spelling mistakes. A correct answer that is filled with incorrect spellings takes away from the quality of the answer. Point number 7. Selective studying is never a good idea. Give each chapter or poem its due importance. Even if you find a particular chapter quite difficult, do not skip it without at least reading through it twice or thrice. Don't be so entirely focused on the guidebooks that you ignore your textbooks and class notes. Give equal importance to all three study materials. Make sure you revise every day so that you do not forget what you had studied the previous day or week. Point number 8. Time management is crucial. Decide in advance how much time you want to allot to each section in your CBSE Class 12th English paper and then time yourself accordingly while solving sample question papers. There are students who don't finish their paper simply because they have run out of time. Don't spend too much time writing very lengthy answers for questions that carry less marks. Spend that time instead on writing answers for questions that carry more marks. Point number 9. Make good choices. There are 3 sections in the question papers, so decide wisely out of the given options which questions you are going to attempt under each section. Point number 10. Neat and legible handwriting is a must. This makes it easier for the examiner to understand what you have written and to award you better marks. Avoid crossing word limits as it is merely a waste of time and gives a bad impression to the examiner. Point number 11. It is important to be systematic. Always attempt questions under each section in your CBSE Class 12th English paper in the correct serial order. Examiners dislike a messy answer script. If you are unsure about a particular answer, leave that space blank and attempt to write the answer later on. Always assign the right serial number to every answer. Making a silly mistake when numbering your answers could be a disaster. Point number 12. Pay attention while reading questions. Many students are in such a hurry to begin writing their papers that they do not understand what answer the question is demanding. Read all the questions carefully and understand what it demands, and only then write down your answers. Many students tend to write board summaries when the answer is required should be very specific. This will prevent students from getting full marks. Point number 13. Revise before you submit your answer script. Since the paper is of 3 hours, allot 2 hours and 45 minutes for writing. The remaining 15 minutes must wisely be used for revision. Please pay special emphasis to your preparation for the English exam. Follow these tips diligently and remember to stay calm while writing your answers. Staying cool-headed will help you achieve clarity in your thought process and enable you to produce impressive answers. आइए अब कुछ सेंटेंसेस देख लेते हैं। कृपया मुझे 100 रुपये उधार दें। इसको इंग्लिश में बोलते हैं प्लीज़ लैंड मी 100 रुपीज़। प्लीज़ लैंड मी 100 रुपीज़। नम्रता से पेश आओ। बिहेव पोलाइटली। बिहेव पोलाइटली। हर काम समय पर पूरा करो। कंप्लीट ईच वर्क एट द राइट टाइम। कंप्लीट ईच वर्क एट द राइट टाइम। यह बात सच हो सकती है। दिस मे बी ट्रू। दिस मे बी ट्रू। तुम्हारा जो मन करे कर सकते हो। यू मे डू व्हाट यू लाइक। यू मे डू व्हाट यू लाइक। मुझे नहीं लगता कि इससे बुरा और कुछ हो सकता है। आई डोंट थिंक समथिंग मे हैव बीन वर्स देन दिस। आई डोंट थिंक समथिंग मे हैव बीन वर्स देन दिस। जाकर देखो, हो सकता है कि वह गई हो। गो एंड लुक, शी मे हैव गॉन। गो एंड लुक, शी मे हैव गॉन। वह निसहाय होगा। ही इज़ हेल्पलेस। ही इज़ हेल्पलेस। उसे हर समय बुखार क्यों रहता है। वाई हैज़ ही गॉट फीवर ऑल द टाइम। वाई हैज़ ही गॉट फीवर ऑल द टाइम। वह कल गांव से आया। ही केम फ्रॉम विलेज यस्टरडे। He came from village yesterday. So guys, best of luck. Thanks for watching. Love from Mansoor. Please like and share this video. Thanks for watching.